Welcome. In this video Angels in Islam quiz, how many can you name? We are going to guess the 50 question.
Which angel delivered revelations to prophets? Correct answer is Angel Jibril. Who guards the gates of hell? Correct answer is Angel Malik. Which angel will blow the trumpet on Judgment Day? Correct answer is Angel Israfil. Which angels record human deeds? Correct answer is Angel Kiraman Katibin. Who guards the gates of paradise? Correct answer is Angel Ridwan. Which angel questions souls in graves? Correct answer is Angel Munkar. Who oversees rain and sustenance? Correct answer is Angel Mikail. The angel of death. Correct answer is Angel Israel. Which angels taught humans magic in Babylon? Correct answer is Angel Harat and Marat. Which angel records good deeds? Correct answer is Angel Rakib. Which angel records bad deeds? Correct answer is Angel Adid. Which angels carry Allah's throne? Correct answer is Angel Hamalat al-Arsh. Which angels protect humans? Correct answer is Angel Muakabat. Which name is not a recognized angel? Correct answer is Angel Darail. Which name is not an authentic angel? Correct answer is Angel Sakr. How many main angels must Muslims believe in? Correct answer is 4. Where does Angel Adid sit? Correct answer is right shoulder. Where does Angel Adid sit? Correct answer is left shoulder. What do recording angels document? Correct answer is every word. How many angels carry Allah's throne? Correct answer is 8. Called Ruh al-Qudus, Holy Spirit. Correct answer is Angel Jibril. Stern gatekeeper of hell in Quran 43:77. Correct answer is Angel Malik. Often confused name for paradise angel. Correct answer is Angel Ridwan. Paired with Munker for grave questions. Correct answer is Angel Naker. Paired angel who taught magic. Correct answer is Angel Merat. Guardian angels, proper name. Correct answer is Angel Muakabat. Angels carrying Allah's throne. Correct answer is Angel Hamalat al-Arsh. Fake angel name. Correct answer is Angel Derail. How many angels came at Badr? Correct answer is 5000 asterisk. Not among the 4 archangels. Correct answer is, all are archangels. Not a real angel name. Correct answer is Angel Chasm. Records only good deeds. Correct answer is Angel Rakib. Records only bad deeds. Correct answer is Angel Added. Hell's gatekeeper in Surah Az-Zukhruf. Correct answer is Angel Malik. Paradise gatekeeper. Correct answer is Angel Ridwan. Throne carriers, proper name. Correct answer is Angel Hamalat al-Arsh. Guardian angels, proper name. Correct answer is Angel Muakabat. Angels at Hell, Quran 74:30. Correct answer is 19. Appeared to Maryam, alayhi salam. Correct answer is Angel Jibril. How many angels descend on Lailatul Qadr? Correct answer is 1000. Strengthened Isa alayhi salam. Correct answer is Angel Jibril. Destroyed Sodom. Correct answer is Angel Jibril. Brought revelations to Isa, alayhi salam. Correct answer is Angel Jibril. Who will announce Judgment Day? Correct answer is Angel Israfil. Chief of all angels. Correct answer is Angel Jibril. Major angels in Islamic tradition. Correct answer is 4. Only angel who entered paradise. Correct answer is angel Ridwan asterisk. Most mentioned angel in Quran. Correct answer is angel Jibril. Only angel who saw hell. Correct answer is angel Malik asterisk. Number of hell's guardian angels. Correct answer is 19.